Climate change. Shortage of arable land. Growth of the world population. Limited resources. Pests and plagues. These global challenges demand for better adapted, disease-resistant, and improved crops. Next to that, consumers want high-quality, affordable, and safe food. This is where we come in. KeyGene, the go-to ag biotech company for higher crop yield and quality. We started in 1989 in the Netherlands. Ambitious scientists got the assignment to develop innovative plant breeding tools. They succeeded. Today, with our 140 international experts, we support breeding and food companies with their toughest R&D challenges, so they are able to develop new, improved crops. Crop innovation is in our DNA. We combine in-depth knowledge of plant traits, proprietary technologies, data science, and bioinformatics to come up with solutions. The KeyGene way is improving crops by molecular breeding. We are convinced that this is the fastest and the most cost-effective way to bring new crops onto the market. Examples of our crop innovations: melons with longer shelf life, potatoes with improved drought resistance, and dandelions that produce latex as source for natural rubber. Over the years, we worked on hundreds of traits in tens of vegetable, field, and ornamental crops. We unraveled the DNA code of more than 25 crops, and the creativity and innovative power of our scientists have resulted in more than 100 patents worldwide. KeyGene is located in Wageningen, the Netherlands, and Rockville, Maryland, USA. Let us support you with your plant breeding challenges. KeyGene, the crop innovation company.